What's the meaning of caprice? Caprice. Caprice.
Caprice. Caprice. Caprice refers to a sudden and unpredictable change of mind or behavior. It is often associated with impulsive decisions or actions that lack any clear purpose or rational basis. This term can also be used to describe a person who is prone to such capricious behavior, characterized by a lack of consistency or stability. Caprice can lead to unexpected and potentially negative outcomes, as it often involves acting impulsively without considering the consequences of one's actions. Ultimately, caprice can be a disruptive force in both personal and professional settings.